Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
With regards to play-to-procure games, Axie Infinity gets everyone's attention. As the primary NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play-to-procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Infinity was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients, DAU. Axie Infinity is a NFT-upheld play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses two tokens in its environment, Smooth Love Potions, SLPs, and Axie Infinity Shards, AXS. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, AXS is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a product of interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Infinity's biological system. What's more, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity support the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by essentially investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie Infinity from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can undoubtedly lay out the assets expected to purchase axies yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole pushed the grant and organization programs. Through an Axie scholarship, the supervisor or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player, researcher, will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire, and Axie Infinity permit their patrons to receive a portion of the benefits. About Smooth Love Potion, Axie Infinity's in-game currency. Basically, SLP is the in-game money at the focal point of Axie Infinity's biological system. Each time a player wins a duel, they are compensated in $SLP. It has no cap and is utilized to raise new axies. The game consumes SLP each time players breed axies. Players breed to deliver posterity with exceptional capacities that make them all the more remarkable. They can likewise hold back nothing that are attractive to different authorities. In Axie Infinity, the pay normally comes as Smooth Love Potion, SLP. Players need to finish and enter journeys, field mode and experience mode to acquire SLPs. The everyday journey rewards used to be 50 SLP, however during the send-off of the 20th Cutthroat season, Sky Mavis declared a significant financial change to procuring SLP. Basically, players will never again acquire SLP in everyday journeys and experience mode, however they can procure more through Cutthroat PvP. SLP profit will currently be actually split, with extra rewards just accessible in the higher Cutthroat levels. Sky Mavis likewise decreased the everyday furthest reaches of SLP acquired in PvE from 100 to 50. Before this change, players procured a sum of 75 SLP each day by playing Adventure Mode, 50 SLP, and by clearing the everyday journeys, 25 SLP. Be that as it may, SLP compensations in PvP currently increment at a quicker rate as you climb the list of competitors. Factors affecting the price of SLP. Axie Infinity endured a big cheese when Sky Mavis declared that their Ronin bridge had been hacked and about $625 million worth of Ethereum and USDC had been taken. The sum was subsequently revised as $541 million at the hour of the break, and is the second biggest crypto hack ever. For the unenlightened, the Ronin bridge is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Infinity Commercial Center, and the AXS marking pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP income from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin bridge, we were at that point involving incorporated trades like Binance as a semi-scaffold to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP profit moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly well-known technique, as a matter of fact, that most of axie players actually utilize that procedure right up to the present day. So Sky Mavis is in significant putting out fires mode and working twofold chance to recapture and revamp trust in their convention. This ongoing issue unquestionably didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, current price. Smooth Love Potion is as of now worth $0.004081 US. SLP has moved minus 3.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,166,891. Smooth Love Potion is as of now positioned 146 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $176,803,948 US. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, Price Prediction 2022. Smooth Love Potion, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. SLP. The SLP cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.006122. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.005714 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004898. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Smooth Love Potion SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.010204. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.008163 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.008